I just want to do a blind taste test and see what you're getting. Close your eyes and don't open them.
I may be able to smell it though. I know Mothman I'll be able to smell. Would get it by the smell and definitely by the taste.
I open up.
That's biscuits and gravy. It has a stronger aftertaste.
You're something else, aren't you? Okay, let's see. Or you think you're something else. Open up.
It's good.
Yeah.
That's from 1951.
All right. Are they closed tight?
Yep.
Okay. You're known to be a cheater. I'm just kidding. Okay, open up. Open up more.
That's Mothman.